Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Let's make money together. This is an emergency video regarding gold update. We have CPI due in an hour 20 minutes, and right before that, I just need to give you guys a quick update so you guys know what to do today. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Let's move on. Gold is currently at a really pivot point. We have a support at $4,000 and a resistance at 4,200. Gold is in a sideways range within this bracket. We are getting CPI today, but government shutdown is on the 20th day, so we don't even know what we are getting. Right now, there are lots of problem. Crude oil prices going up, which is in reverse, is causing the inflation rate to go higher, and Fed cannot cut interest rate in highly inflationary economy, so things are becoming tougher for the Fed. Going back to gold, as you can clearly see, gold on last Friday dumped almost $300 and right now is in a sideways range. In the history of gold has dropped down 6 to 7 times after 9 consecutive winning streaks, and this is not the first time we are seeing this. So what I'm telling you is that back in 2020, gold also had 9 consecutive winning streaks, and after that it dropped down, and it dropped down from August till January. It was almost until March, and this is almost 5-6 months. So then afterwards it just kept on in the sideways range until it broke off. So right now, I'm not saying that it's gonna keep on dropping 5-6 months. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan still have their gold forecasts at 5,000 to in between $5,000 to $10,000 till this next year. So it might drop down quickly and go back up, but the main thing is that 3,500 is your area of concentration. If it drops below 3,500, then it's a sell-off. The sell-off has started. This is more of a correction, so be really careful. It will drop till 3,500. Once it touches 3,500, start looking for buys, but now start looking for sells. I too said earlier on that it will bounce back up. It can bounce back up. Nobody knows what if, because right now the market is not moving on economic data, is moving on Trump tariffs, China, US, Russia. So you cannot right now trade doing technical analysis or fundamental analysis. You have to solely depend on the things which these politicians are controlling. They are controlling the environment. So if they are controlling the environment and they are moving the market up and down. In the last week, we saw how many times US equity to US 30 just went up, came down crashing, even with gold. The reason for that is Trump is news is Trump. Alright, so try to understand that. You need to understand we cannot control the environment, they control the environment. So all we need to do is watch the news. As soon as something good comes out, bad comes out, you know what to do. You are mature enough to understand what you need to do. But even if you are confused, just don't do anything, because losing money is not favorable in this market. Anyways, we have a double top over here. It dropped down. It's not the first time that happened earlier on in 2020, 2006. Last Friday lows, it just dropped down. We are getting similar patterns, and we might get a dump on the CPI news, and after that maybe buyers get in. We don't know, but price will retest 4,100 after the CPI, and if it gets rejected, it will be a major drop. So keep an eye on the price. I'm still saying for the long term, right now the sentiments have changed. If in the next upcoming weeks you don't hear any good news coming out regarding peace talks between Russia and Ukraine, just keep selling gold, because the price of natural gas and crude oil is already going up, because US is putting sanctions on Russia on oil, and even China ditched oil supplies from from Russia, so that in sort through the crude oil price up. Why I'm telling you this? Because if crude oil is going up, it will increase the inflation in America. And if inflation is up, you know what's happening, the yield curve and the correlation between all of them. In short, gold will go up, but this is a liquidation done by the system. The government is resetting the value of gold, because right now 70% of the gold is owned by the banks. Yes, and they have increased the gold price on paper. So please be really careful. Right now, I know a lot of people who bought physical gold up here on the top, and the price will drop down and it will keep on dropping down. So my advice you to is that if you have a gold right now physical, just sell it and wait till December and January, and when it's cheaper, buy it. But right now, if you are trading gold, just look for sell entries. And I'll see you guys in the live stream. Gold is still dropping down as I'm speaking, and let's see how CPI turns out. I will be updating regarding any. I will be making a video on weekly analysis for the next week. Plus, I'll be breaking down last Fed Chair Powell speech, and besides that, I will also be explaining what you need to do in order to make profit. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. I'll see you guys in an hour in the live stream. Till then, this is Pro Wolf Trader signing off.